Hello everyone, welcome to Sulfursoft. Today we are going to start a Python mega course. In this course, what we are going to learn? Let's discuss. We shall learn Python language basic concepts and slowly we shall move toward the advanced concepts as well. By using all these concepts, we shall develop 10 real-world applications, which will include banking application, ATM application and many more. We shall develop 100 pattern programs, which will include different type of shapes. Triangle shape, diamond shape, tree-like shape, and many others. All these pattern programs are specifically designed to enhance the logical thinking. During this course, we shall develop 250 plus coding examples so that our Python skills could be increased. More than 100 quizzes are designed specifically to judge the skills which we are going to attain in this course. After completion of each step, there will be a quiz. All the presentation notes which will be delivered in this course, you will be able to download all those presentations easily. This course is for absolute beginners. You don't need any prior coding experience to start this course. After completion of course, you will get a certificate and you can start a successful career at any firm as a Python developer, or you can start your freelancing career as a Python developer after gaining this course. Thank you.